You are watching the high-speed version of a Feldenkrais awareness through movement lesson. Please note, the vision isn't always synchronized with the voice and caption. By the way, if you'd like to start the lesson right now, or watch only the gist in advance, click the white circled eye icon at the upper right corner. Otherwise, let's watch and listen to the whole lesson. Stand on the feet please. Place the feet comfortably apart. Slide the left foot to the right foot and place the left foot on the floor and place the weight on both feet. Then slide the left foot on the floor and bring it to the starting position. Like this, do it a few times slowly. Before you slide the foot, it may be a good idea to lift the foot a tiny bit from the floor. The left foot goes to the right and the left. Every time it stops, place the weight on the feet, on the left and the right foot equally. Pay attention to the upper body. Notice the upper body does not have to do anything for the movement. It may shift the position in the air, but it can easily keep the upright position. Leave it. Walk around a bit. Come back to the place please. Stand with feet apart. Now, slide the left foot a bit forward and place the weight on the foot. And bring it back to the feet parallel position. Like this, do it many times slowly. Pay attention to the upper body. How does the body move as the left foot goes forward? Does it bend backward? Does it turn right? Or you do both of these movements together. Next time the foot is in the forward position, stay there. Okay? Now bend the upper body forward and bring it to the upright position or horizontal position. Do it many times within the comfortable range. Do it slowly. Pay attention to which joint articulates the most. Now, bend the body at hip joints, particularly at the left hip. Leave it. Walk around a bit. Come back to the place please. Stand with feet apart as before. Slide the left foot to the forward position and stay there. Turn the pelvis left and right many times. Do it many times and observe yourself. Does the chest look toward the left as the pelvis turns to the left? Does the head look toward the left? Left and right. Leave it alone and walk around. Come back to the place. Slide the left foot to the front and stay there. Turn the pelvis to the left and stay there too. The left foot is in front of the right foot and the pelvis is turned to the left now. Observe yourself. The chest and the head may have turned along with the pelvis. Or they may stay to the front. Do you recognize the position of yourself now? Okay? In this position, turn the chest with the head to the right and to the left many times. Do not go too far. Do not look for the feeling of stretching. Do it within the comfortable range. Keep the neck long. The front of the neck long. The back of the neck long. The left of the neck long. The right of the neck long. The chest and the head go to the left and to the right. Keep on looking at the horizontal line. Do not look down or up. Leave it and walk around. Come back to the place please. Slide the left foot to the front and stay there. Turn the pelvis to the right this time, and stay there too. Turn the chest to the left and stay there. The left foot is in front of the right foot and the pelvis is turned to the right and chest is turned to the left now. Okay? Turn the head and eyes to the left and to the right many times. The neck stays long. The front, the back, the left side, the right side. Your eyes always look horizontal line to the left and to the right. Leave it alone and walk around. Come back to the place. Simply slide the left foot forward and backward. Feel any difference from the beginning of the lesson? Does the upper body stay relatively still? Bring the feet parallel. Slide the right foot to the front and back a few times. Next time the right foot is in the forward place, stay there. Now imagine, imagine that to turn the pelvis to the left and right a few times. Don't actually do it, but just imagine it. Feel what happens to the chest and the head. Now, imagine turning the chest to the opposite to the pelvis many times. So, when the pelvis turns to the left, the chest turns to the right and vice versa. This is done all in your imagination. Leave it and walk around. Come back to the place and stand with feet parallel. Simply slide the left foot to the forward and back to the feet parallel position a few times. Simply slide the right foot to the forward and back to the feet parallel position a few times. Slide the left foot and the right foot alternately forward and backward. Do you feel any difference between the right and the left foot and the leg? Leave it and walk around. Pay attention how easily feet are translated to the front. This concludes the lesson. Thank you.